Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable motion smoothing on your Xiaomi TV. So the motion smoothing effect, also known as a soap opera effect, also can be called motion enhancement or motion processing on Xiaomi TVs, is pretty much disabled in the same way on all Xiaomi TVs, no matter which operational system you use. However, the interface of each system looks differently. In my case, I have the F Pro series of TV, which use the Fire OS layout on them, but you may also have a TV like of an A Pro series, which uses Google Android TV, or Mi TV 4S, for example, which uses also the PatchWall, but basically the Android TV, so the default layout. No matter which one you are using, you're gonna have to navigate to settings, which are represented by the gear icon on your Xiaomi TV. Then in settings, go to all settings menu, then go to display and audio settings. Then in display and audio, or display and sound, you're gonna have to go to picture settings and then select the input for which you want to change the picture settings. I'm gonna choose my HDMI input, where my PlayStation is connected to, and then in picture settings you're gonna have to navigate to advanced settings. In my case, they are located right here. And then in advanced settings you will find something like either motion processing or motion smooth or motion enhancement. This option is one of the last ones, and basically what you have to do to turn this feature off is just select it and then select off option. Now this way you will change this setting for the HDMI input on F Pro. Now if you want, if you are using the Fire TV 2, so the F Pro series TV, then if you want to disable motion processing for the default input or apps and videos input, then you're gonna have to first play some media on your TV. So for example, YouTube video or any other video, because this will let you change picture settings on your TV. So let me play some kind of video on my TV. For example, this one, probably the ads were gonna play, so let me skip this. Okay, and while we are playing a video, we're gonna have to press and hold the home button until the sidebar appears. On the sidebar, select picture, and then do the same thing. Just navigate to advanced settings, then find motion processing and turn it off. And that's how you do it. I think this might be a little bit different for other Xiaomi TVs that use Android TV or PatchWall, but pretty much the same thing. So that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.